Hello everyone, my name is Paul Moore. I'd like to welcome you today to our TWI Training with an Industry presentation. This is a quick four-step methodology to quickly train manufacturing workforce here at Smith & Wesson Incorporated. A little bit of history about TWI. This was originally started in the United States in the early 1940s. This was to quickly train a newly entering workforce in the manufacturing industry while the previous workforce was, of course, rededicated or repurposed to help our country towards the war efforts. So we'll go through step by step how this quick and easy methodology can be implemented here at Smith & Wesson to help our industry and help us improve our workforce and give us incredible gains for our business and for our workforce as well. So TWI is training with an industry. As we've indicated, it was a training method originally first developed during World War II. This allowed the industry to rapidly and successfully backfill the openings in the manufacturing workforce due to the draft. This gave our nation our fighting force, while at the same time letting us keep our building manufacturing force here at home on the home front. This is a very easy way of both teaching and learning, which is one of the great things about this tool. Of course, this tool is one of the crucial foundational building blocks to what was known today as the Toyota method or Lean Kaizen method of training. So as we get into this further, you'll see why we say that, because some of the facets of this will be no doubt very familiar to you as what you see in Toyota's methodology today. Why do we need to make this improvement now? Well, with the recent acquisition of Tri-Town Precision Plastics plant here in Deep River, Connecticut, several changes have been made to the plant with regards to the staff reporting structure. And there is currently, as a result, no formal system in place to satisfy our company training needs. We are seeking to improve several key business metrics, and it is our belief that TWI is the vehicle that can help us get from here to there. At Deep River Plastics, it is known that our plant scrap levels are very high, and we've been mandated to make a dramatic reduction. Our plant manager would like us to cut that by 50% this fiscal year. So that is a big challenge. Not to worry, with TWI as our vehicle, once again, I do believe that we can get ourselves there. So our objectives are clear. We are no longer the big player in our industry. We must learn to work smarter, not just harder. This new global economy means that we must spend all dollars wisely. Now more than ever, every dollar counts. Also, we are dealing with trying to provide counterbalances to local regional financial challenges. Our business is located in the United States, and additionally, it's located in the state of Connecticut. Many industries are choosing to leave this region at this time, but we're choosing to stay. So we need to justify that decision. And once again, we plan on doing that by reaching our success. And the way that we're going to succeed is by achieving our plant cost savings benchmarks. And we're going to talk more about that as we proceed through our presentation. Okay, so as we move into our approach here, there's tremendous opportunity for all of us. There's opportunity for the folks in the front office to work very closely here at Smith & Wesson with some of the folks on the shop floor, and vice versa. There are many good ideas that may come from establishing these open lines of communication for more projects to take place in the future. It's very important for us all to realize and remember, we all sink or swim together here. We need to acknowledge that we have a mutuality here in the business, and that one facet cannot succeed while another facet of our business fails. Once we start the ball rolling here, it is true, the sky is the limit. We can take this and we can do great things with this. It doesn't have to just be limited to this one learning experience. In fact, as we go through more slides, additionally, you see more information, we're going to talk about how it can capitalize on this and turn this into even more bigger and better beneficial gains for our business in the future as we go. So here's the biggest benefit to TWI. Implementing TWI will establish a common baseline for everyone in the plant in terms of a established level of training. Additionally, this will also have the ripple effect of helping to improve employee morale. As a effect, productivity and morale will be improved, which will lift the level of overall product quality as well. And of course, last but certainly not least, the safety of the plant should improve, which will add a positive benefit for both the employee and the company. So once everything starts trending, all these key business metrics start trending in this direction, as indicated earlier, we will see a significant benefit to the business overall. And that is something that can be viewed and celebrated on every level of the company, whether you're the operator on the shop floor or you're the plant manager out in the front office. Everyone should see a big benefit to this TWI implementation. And that is why it's critical at this juncture that we employ this tactic and we make this decision to implement this change in our company. So in closing, what we are trying to accomplish here overall is to create a paradigm shift. We want our business to go in a positive direction for the future. We can use this TWI training as a strong foundation on which we can build, okay, for future lean events, Kaizen events, setting up Kanban supermarkets, 5S events. There's no limit to the benefits that we can reap from this training. Also, we'll benefit from a better reputation. The people that work here will talk to people outside. Our customers will hear of it. And ultimately, we're looking to create a culture where our workforce feels that level of engagement and empowered, and that will make our business stronger and make sure that we have a future and that we're moving forward and that we're going in the right direction. It is a very true statement that it's no longer acceptable for businesses to just tread water. You have to be moving forward. You have to be swimming, moving upward, onward, moving forward, taking that next step in the staircase that is ever rising in business and evolution of business. And so that is our goal here, to create a paradigm shift that sets off our business in a positive, upward lifting trajectory and puts us in a good place for the future for many, many years to come. Thank you. Okay, guys. This is a low-costing, high-impacting approach to improve our workforce and our business. We can be the trial plant here, and if all goes well, we can spread it out to other locations. The only limitations that we have, okay, are those that we place upon ourselves. We can complete this project in a short time period and begin to realize cost savings this year. This project will begin, as noted in our timeline, on July 8th and can be completed by November 7th. So, for your consideration, please think about what we've shared here today and what we've presented, and I'll be happy to answer any further questions. Feel free to contact me. You all have my extension and my email, and it's been a pleasure presenting to you today. Once again, my name is Paul Moore. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to working with you together in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.